Just keep the microphone close to you, Pulkit, so that it'll be audible.
Oh, or can you hear me?
Still it is less, Pulkit. Still the voice is not so audible.
Yeah. There's something going on with my mic.
So Abel, you send me the B part.
Yeah.
Oh, good, excellent. So B part is little challenging, right?
Yep.
B part will be doing it now. Okay, let's do the second question, Abel. Second part. Second question, second part. And then we'll do the third. What is that? This question is third question, second part.
Okay.
And we'll do the fourth question. Okay. So in this page till here, and then let's go to this part now. Yeah. We'll do the sixth question, seventh question, eighth and ninth. Is that okay? Eighth and ninth are not visible properly, but that's fine. Eight. Second, last two problems also will do. What are the last two problems? 8th, 9th, right? Or 9th, 10th?
12th and 13th.
Yeah, 12th and 13th. Okay. So 12th and 13th will do. Fine. Let's try. Yeah, Pulkit, where were we for you? I think we were doing the SQP 13. That's what I remember. SQP 13, right? Pulkit, some issue with the microphone? Your voice is not audible to me. Try using the headphone, Pulkit. A little better. Okay, let's do this part now. So are we done with the section A? No, not really, right? Section A, still we have to do the we have to do still more problems, right? Till where we have done in section A, Pulkit? Any idea? What is this?
Hello?
Yeah, now it's audible, Pulkit.
Okay, is it audible now?
Yeah, not so great, but yeah, I can manage.
Because I can talk on
What, Pulkit?
can talk on Hangouts otherwise.
You can go on Hangouts, okay? So
Like we did last class.
Hangout. We called in the Hangouts or we?
No. I was texting.
Oh, you were
on the
typing. Okay.
Hangout.
Fine. It's okay. So no problem. Anyway, you don't have to type much now. Let's. It's fine. Pulkit, no problem. Let's try to understand till where we reached in the section A.
Finish question 3.
Question number till 3, right? Or 4?
Till 3.
Till 3 we reached. Okay. No, fine, no problem. Can we do this part, Pulkit? Question number 4 onwards. Fourth,
Yeah.
let's see how many 2 markers are there. Fourth, we have 2 marker, 2 marker, 2 marker. 3 questions are there, 2 marker, and we have the 7th question onwards, the 4 markers. 3 2 markers, 3 marker. So fine, I think we should be doing this part, Pulkit. Till 9 questions, right? 4 to 9. Can we do the 5? Target the 5 questions. From 4 to 9.
Okay, sir.
Let's do from 4 to 9. Yeah, so you have 3 4 markers and 3 2 markers, right? So typically 12 minutes here and then 12:24. So half an hour should be fine. So let's go from the 4th question to 9th question. Is it okay? I'll just I'll also mention you so that you know what I'm talking about. I'll just share my screen to you and then you also note it down this part. Can see my screen now? Is it visible, Pulkit?
Yes, sir.
Okay, visible, right? Fine. So let's go with the 4th question onwards. Fine.
Okay.
4th question onwards.
14.
We'll do till 9th. Okay?
Okay, sir.
4 to 9. So take half an hour, 30 minutes time, and let's try to finish it off. Right? So you have a choice in the 9th one, A and B. Differential and integration, that's fine. So
Okay, sir.
Fine. So let me know when you are ready. I'll start the timer for you.
I'm ready.
Okay, you are ready. So I'll start the 30 minutes time for you. Okay, Pulkit, your time starts now. Yeah, Vijay. You could get the x square plus 2x plus 2. What is the how much? What is the completing a square you got, Vijay?
So now I got x plus 1 whole square plus 1. So,
X plus 1 whole square plus 1. Excellent. Perfect. Absolutely correct. So slowly you will, you don't have to do the b square plus minus b square also. You will get you'll get used to solving directly. Right?
yes, sir.
Okay, now after that you can apply the formula. That square root of x square plus a square formula.
Yes, I can do that.
Once you are done, then no need to solve it also.
Okay.
You directly move to the 11th question. The whole point was that only, to get to the, completing a square. Isn't it?
Okay, sir.
After this is copy
Yeah.
paste. After this is a time waste. Do the 11th one, Vijay.
Yes, sir.
11th one, just get me the value. How complete the square and let me know what is the, it evaluates to 9x square plus 6x plus 5. Same method. What's the answer you got, Vijay? Not answer, sorry. What is the 9x square plus 6x plus 5 evaluates to?
I'm still doing it, sir.
Okay, no problem. Evil, you got it? The
Doing.
second one.
I'm doing.
Cost function will manufacture. Okay, marginal cost function. So here you need to use the differentiation, right? Able, and the marginal cost. You need to differentiate the cost function.
Okay. Yeah, you have to differentiate.
dc by dx.
Yep.
So let me also do for you, Vijay. 9x square plus 6x plus 5. So 9x you can keep it as a 3x whole square, right? Plus 6x. Okay. Plus.
So which question are you talking about?
No, not for you. Not for you. Not for you.
Oh.
Not for you. You continue on the second part.
Yeah. So
Yup.
this one 3x plus 1 whole square plus 2 square
3x plus 1 whole square.
plus 2 square.
Yeah, excellent. Correct answer. So 3x plus 1 whole square plus 2 square. Absolutely correct.
Okay.
And then 3x plus 1 you can put it as t and then you can solve it, right?
Yes, sir.
Get in the forms. So fine, you are done. No need to solve it. Directly go to the 12th one now.
Okay, sir.
You know? The moment it becomes the same thing, is no point solving it. Now this is minus plus, you need to take care. 7 minus 6x minus x square. Method is same. Okay, Vijay, what did you get down after completing the square?
This one's a bit confusing, sir.
Confusing. Why?
Because x square is negative.
Okay, I'll share my screen to you and then check. This I remember I showed to you. Can you check now?
Yes, sir.
7 minus 6x minus x square. So I took minus common. So it became x square plus 6x.
Okay. Yeah.
Then after that you complete the square. 6x divided by 2 is nothing but 3. So add 3 square minus 3 square you do.
Okay, sir.
Understood?
Yeah.
Once you got 16 minus x plus 3 square under root is in the root, so it comes in the formula of a square minus x square formula, right? Done. You don't have to solve it after that. You can directly apply the formula.
Okay, sir.
Okay, do that now.
Okay, sir. Oh.
No? This I'll send it to you. Oh. Then we'll do the 13th one. Minus 2x minus 1x plus 2. So it becomes the x square.
No.
Done. Vijay?
Yeah.
Okay. Now do that 13th one. 13th one, this x minus 1 into x plus x minus 2. Multiply it, get in the form of quadratic equation and then do the completing the square.
Okay, sir.
Got it? So they have not given to you directly, so I'll do the same thing. The moment it came in the x square minus 3x plus 2, after that you don't have to solve it also because you know how to solve it. Right? Do we need to solve it this part after 13? No, right?
No, sir.
Yeah, you had a difficulty in when the negative sign was there. So can you do the 14th one?
Yeah. Okay, sir.
Then I'll do the 14th. 8 plus 3x minus x square. Similar method, okay? Take the minus sign common, after that you do that.
Okay, sir. Oh.
Same method, similar method. So Abel, you got the second question, second part? Marginal cost function.
No, sir. I
No.
left it.
Why Abel? You didn't get. Come on.
It's a proving question, sir. No.
Second question is not proving function, right? Second question though, anyway, you have to find a margin.
Second part is proving.
The cost of putting x
Just
unit
showing
product
that
is
is
in,
constant.
show that the marginal cost is always constant. Just do differentiation. No, you should give the.
I don't want to do differentiation. Okay.
dc by dx should be some constant value you should get. That's it.
Yeah.
And you will get that constant value because 7x differentiation is what? 7 only.
Yeah.
Right? Yeah, Pulkit, how much time for you? Let me just check. Last 14 minutes remaining, Pulkit, for you.
So,
Yeah.
I can't get this one.
Okay, no problem. Let me just 8 plus 3x minus x square. Okay, I'll share your screen again. We'll do that. No problem. We'll do it together so that you understand. Yeah. Can you see my screen now?
Yes, sir.
Okay, let's do the 8 minus 3x square. So 8 plus 3x minus x square. So we already wrote 8 plus 3x minus x square, is it? Fine. Now you have 8, okay? So you just write on 8, just change the position. 8 minus x square, 8 minus x square plus 3x, right?
Yeah.
Now take minus common. 8 minus bracket, so it become x square minus 3x, isn't it? Right?
Yeah.
Now 8 minus bracket, it becomes x square, correct? So it becomes the minus 3x plus 3 by 2 whole square minus 3 by 2 whole square, isn't it? Minus 3 by 2 whole square, and then put the bracket. Done. You group it now. This one you can group it now.
Yeah.
This will become what? X minus 3 by 2 whole square. Right? So
Yes,
this,
sir.
now this will become 8 minus bracket. This will become x minus 3 by 2 whole square. Right? minus
Yes, sir.
9 by 4, bracket close. Now you open the bracket, this bracket you open, this bracket you open. So what will
Okay.
become? It will become 8 minus x minus 3 by 2 whole square plus 9 by 4.
Yeah.
Now group 8 plus 9 by 4 is how much? 32 plus 9, 41. 41 by 4. Isn't it?
Yes, sir.
So it becomes 41 by 4. Yeah. So it will become, let's say it will become 41 by 4, right? Minus bracket x minus 3 by 2 whole square. Isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Now this can be written as root 41 by 2 whole square. This can be written as, right, isn't it? This can be written as 41 by 2. So, or we can just put the root here, root 41 by 2. Root 41 by 2, isn't it? Whole square.
Yes, sir.
This is bracket, we'll put it here, will become the square, right? Minus u x minus 3 by 2 whole square, isn't it?
Yeah.
Now came in the formula, a square minus x square formula. You can put this x minus 3 by 2 as t,
Okay.
isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Everything is inside the root, right? Now you can directly go to this. This is what you are solving, right?
Yeah.
Now this entire thing 8 plus 3x minus x square can be replaced with this, right?
Yes, sir.
Then you can directly apply the formula a square minus x square formula. After that you don't have to solve it also. Yes or no?
Okay. Yes, sir.
Okay, just write down this part. Now do with this same thing you do with your understanding, because you got stuck in this problem also, which was negative sign was there here. Here also, 12th one also, 13th was easy, 14th one also. We'll do little more practice on this negative signs.
Okay, sir.
Same thing, just do, with your understanding, and then we write it down. Copy it now.
Okay, sir.
Hmm.
Yeah.
Any questions, any doubts in this part? How we approach this?
No, sir.
Easy, right?
Yeah.
Okay. This method is fine for you, or you are Abel? What is your method, Abel? Which method you apply? Because you do very shortcut method
For what?
for completing the square. What method you apply?
Completing a square? What are you talking about?
You do integration, right? When you do integration,
Yeah.
you do completing the square and then you get into the formula, right?
Sir, now I don't remember. It's been 2 weeks.
I know you are out of integration, but which method you were applying that?
I don't remember, sir. After
But I remember you do very shortcut way. Something you
Yeah.
do. I don't know what.
it was easier. I forgot now.
Something you do. I don't remember what you were doing that time. But you are always getting the right answer. No, but no. This method which I am just telling is, it can be shortcut, but
Long.
once you do it in the mind. But you have to write
Yeah.
it to make it, always correct. So I wanted to know your method. What method you adopted so that it was so fast.
I don't remember.
Okay, so you tend to forget some things
Yeah.
when you are not in touch, right?
Plus it's vacation, right?
Okay, no problem. Okay, marginal cost is fine for you. So you have some hiccups and differentiation.
No, sir. I got it.
You got it, no? Fine.
Yeah. think I'm done. I'm on the last question.
Keep checking the answer. The answer is matching or not?
Yeah, yes.
Oh.
There's no answer. It's all proving.
Aja, proving. Okay.
Yeah.
No problem. It's matching, then it's fine. Yeah, you understood.
Yes, sir.
Any questions, any doubts?
No, clear.
Okay, perfect. Now let's go to the. Shall we go to move to the next one?
Yeah.
Go to the x minus 15th one now.
Okay, sir.
15th one is also similar to this one only, Vijay. For 13th one. Instead of 1 and 2, they have given A and B.
Okay.
Okay, just solve it and get me the square. Complete the square and let me know the complete the square. What is it? You got. After
Okay,
that
sir.
that is enough. We'll do that practice only.
Okay, sir. I'll just.
Understood, right? Will not go directly to the answer level. Just do till the intermediate, it's fine. Just complete the square and let me know what is the value you got. We'll get last 3 minutes remaining for you.
We're done.
Done, Pulkit? Excellent.
Yeah. Yeah.
Excellent, Pulkit. Any questions? So, okay, good. You are on time. Before
I
time.
had a question.
Before time,
Question
yeah.
is the seventh one.
7th one is doubtful for you.
I'm not sure if there's a mistake in the question or I made a calculation error.
Uh-huh.
Check it.
Okay, so
So I'm getting an answer. I mean, so it's not being proved. The
Acha.
answer I'm getting is like way off. So, but I know the method is right. I'm not sure.
okay. No problem, we'll see. You got the answer, no, this part. Check.
I got one answer. Which
You got
isn't
one?
the same. Because
No,
I
you
have to
just-
prove it, right?
You have to prove, right?
So, yeah. So it's not getting proved.
Okay, it's not getting proved. Okay.
Right. I'll send my working one.
Yeah, you can just send me a working. Let's see what went wrong. One by 9, right? Okay, no problem. 7. You you send me the okay.
Yeah, I just sent it to you.
Now your time is up. Okay. So let me just check. Wow, so big calculation. Huh? 1 by 4 plus 1 by 9 by 1 minus 36, correct. So you got, okay, so 17, okay, 36 cancelled, so you got 17 by 30, okay. Yeah, something is 1 by 4, 1 by 9, okay. Yeah, what is the question he's asked you? Your method is right, Pulkit. 1 by 9, yeah. Is it? Correct, Pulkit, your method is right. It's not getting pulled because it should be tan inverse 2 by 9, Pulkit.
Yeah, okay. Yeah, that's what I was thinking. Because
Yeah.
then it becomes 17.
Yeah, correct.
And 34.
You 30, yeah, correct. You are right.
Okay.
Your method is right because I can see that your method is absolutely correct. It's not good. Yeah, method is fine.
That was the only doubt I had.
Yeah, let's go to the next part now.
Oh, actually, yeah, the fifth one.
Huh?
The fifth one? 5.
Fifth one? You missed out.
I'm not sure what the answer is.
Okay,
Nah,
fifth one.
I did something, but I'm not sure if I did it right.
Which one you did? Fifth one, B part, huh?
The probability one. The probability. The
Okay, independent events, okay.
green and
Nine
red.
spaces are 1 to 3 in the right hand. Okay, no problem. A with the event number in the obtained in the B in the number obtained in the red. A and B are the independent events. Okay, this part, right? Okay, so what we need to do in this case, so he's saying it, okay. A with the event, okay. Is A and B are independent events? Okay, he's asking you A and B are independent events or not, right? So A and B, okay, so 1 by 2, 1 by 3. Yeah, Pulkit, your answer is correct now. P and, yeah, 1 by 4.
So it will be
multiplied,
no,
yeah.
right?
Huh?
So they won't be independent.
Yeah, because P of A into
Okay.
P of B should not, should be equal to P of A intersection B.
Fine.
So yeah, correct, it's not equal, yeah.
Okay.
Your
I
method
don't
is right,
have any.
Pulkit. Your method is absolutely correct.
Okay, sir.
Next one, Pulkit.
I can do the 9th B part.
Yeah, ninth one, so simple. What is, okay, this is the fourth one, right? Nine.
So I can do the OR part.
You did differential equation.
Or should I move on to the next part?
Till here everything is correct, Pulkit? Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, good, everything is correct because you had a doubt only that part, right?
Yeah.
Oh, nice, excellent.
Sir, actually, I had a question. How would I do the 5th OR part? I'm not sure how to do it.
Fifth OR part. Okay, let's understand fifth OR part. Aij is the cofactor of the element Aij of the determinant. Okay, then they write the value of A 32 into A cofactor of A32. Yeah, fine, no, Pulkit. What is the problem in that? So it's fine, Pulkit. A32 is already given to you, and find out the
So
cofactor of A32 only.
So A32 is like 2 minus 3, 5, 6, 0, 4. Right?
Yeah, third and 2, right? 2, 6,
Yeah.
correct, exactly. So find the cofactor of A32 first.
Oh,
That you multiply with
oh.
5. Cofactor with 32 means anyway negative will be there, minus sign will be there. Minus, so 8 minus 5, 5, 6 is 30. So 8 minus 30 is how much? Minus 24. So it becomes 24. 24 into 5, 120.
Sir, 8 minus 30 is minus 24.
Correct. So it will become
Sir,
24
eight-
into 5, 120.
Sir, 8 minus 30 is minus 20.
Yeah, minus 24, but it's a cofactor, no? You have to multiply with minus 1 sign. It's not a minor. Cofactor.
Yeah.
Cofactor because 3 and 2 is 3 plus 2 is 5. 5 is odd number.
Five.
So you have to
This
multiply
is
with minus
odd.
1.
Okay.
Clear, right?
Yeah, I got it.
So it's simple. This is a simple problem, Pulkit.
Okay, sir.
This part is clear? Okay. 6-1 you got it, no? 6-1?
Yeah. I got the rest.
Okay, perfect. Yeah, that's pretty much done this part. You can... Yeah. Oh, okay. 9th one, which one you did? A part or B part?
I did the A part.
Okay, 9th one you did A part. Try the B part, Pulkit.
Okay, sir.
Sin x dy by dx minus y is equal to sin x tan x by 2.
So
Yep.
this one is x minus a plus b by 2 whole square minus a minus b square by 4.
A minus b square by...
Four.
come again, Vijay, what is... Once again you tell me.
X minus a
Huh?
plus b by 2 whole square
Correct?
minus
Huh?
a minus b whole square by 4.
A minus b you are getting. Why are you getting a minus b? It should be a plus b only, no? Let's see.
Oh, yeah, sorry, a plus b.
Huh, no?
Yeah.
Should be a plus b as well. Yeah? Yeah, fine, you got it now.
Okay.
You're done. Then this part is 15th one is done for you. No need to solve it now.
Okay, sir.
Now 16th. Go to the 16th one now. 16th one you have to apply the property different property. Remember that? 7th, 8th property
Yeah.
you have to apply.
Okay, sir.
Your property number 8th and 9th, sorry, 8th and 9th property, which you have done the example part. Yeah, just try it out first, this part. 16th one. You getting Vijay? Hello? Yeah. You go talk now. Tell me. Yeah. First time she got, no? First time. Side effects are very so more people will come. Blood test. That is something. That's fine. That's fine. That is fine. Once in a lifetime it comes. I know that. Once in a lifetime it comes. It comes to build the immunity. Yeah, I'm going to be because take care. Yeah, Vijay, you got the answer for this 16th one?
Not yet, sir. Still going.
Okay. Sixteenth problem exactly like the example problem, Vijay.
Yes, sir.
Sir, can I leave?
You done, Abel?
I was stuck on the 13th one, but I think I'm done. I mean, I didn't get it fully, but I left it.
Why did you left it, Abel?
I don't know.
You have to get it done.
I'm not getting.
13th one. Why you are not getting 13th one?
So 12th and 13th are almost same,
Ah,
but I'm not getting.
range
12th one I
of-
got, but 13th I'm not getting.
Yeah, this is the range you need to find when the increasing function, decreasing function. So do
Yeah,
you
so you have to find the MC and AC, right?
yeah.
I think I did it, but after that, what do you do?
You can dc by dx, you have to equate it 0. When you equate it 0, get the value of x. Then you have
But
to find the range
they have
now.
not given any answer or anything, so what do you do?
No, you have to find the range. No, range means once you get whatever the actual value. So from 0 to that value, and from that value to infinity. Because it will come, because 50 by x square is 50 by x is there. Now when you do differentiation, it will come as the quadratic equation.
Sir, I'm stuck.
So what is the x value you got, table? You should get the two values, no? That's what the range he is asking.
Sir, I'm stuck.
You got stuck, Pulkit? Where you got stuck?
So I was finding like the IF, the integrating factor for this.
Yeah, what's the if you got?
The IF I'm getting is cosec x minus cot x raised to the power minus 1. Inverse.
Okay.
So that would be like 1 by cos x minus cot x, right?
Yeah, 1 by cos x minus, correct.
So then I put that in the formula. So I did y into 1 by cos x minus cot x equals sine inverse x by 2 by cos x or tan x by 2 rather
Yeah.
into the IF again.
Correct.
So that's where I'm getting stuck. I'm not sure what to do after that.
Just send me a working. Okay.
Yeah.
Let's see where you're getting stuck.
That's all.
Yeah, Vijay.
Now answer for this one is 2 into root of 2x square plus x minus 3 plus 3.
Plus how much are you getting? 10. Okay. Yeah, go ahead. Tell me the answer. Yeah, go ahead. Tell me the answer, Vijay.
So it's 2 into
Huh?
root of 2 into
Correct.
root of 2x square plus x minus 3.
Correct answer. Excellent. Perfect. Huh? Yeah, it's correct answer. Vijay.
Okay,
Absolutely
fine.
correct. Perfect, no problem. Next, let's go to the 17th one, Vijay.
Yes, sir.
Seventeenth one. Okay, so yeah, you sent me a booklet. Let me just check what you've done. So integration factor is okay. So dy by dx cosec x minus cot x integration by e power minus cosec x. So minus cosec x becomes log of cosec x minus cot x. So minus 1. So you got log of cosec x minus cot x. So you got log of cosec x plus cot x, right? Okay. Yeah, so y into integration factor is equal to sine into cos x by 2 into integration factor. So 1 by cosec x minus 1 by cot. Oh, what is that, Pulkit? How did you get 1 by cosec x minus 1 by cot x? So you got sin x by 2 cos x by 2 into integration factor, right? See, it was sin x into tan x by 2, correct? Where is tan x by 2, Pulkit? Ajay, tan x by 2 you put it here, so tan x, okay, it's no problem. So this second last part went wrong for you, Pulkit. Tan x by 2 1 by cosec x minus 1 by cot x, this part you went wrong.
Sure. Sorry, my laptop died.
Okay, this part went wrong, Pulkit, for you. I'll just send it to you, this part. This you can write it as a cosec x plus cot x, right? In the numerator. You can rationalize it. It will become cosec x plus cot x into tan x by 2. Correct? You're getting a Pulkit?
Oh, because cos x squared minus cot squared
Yeah.
is 1. Oh, okay, okay. Right. Yeah, that didn't make sense. Okay, sir. Yeah, I got it.
Correct, got it, huh?
Yeah, I got it.
Yeah, then you can just take the thing, it'll come.
So,
Yup.
can we do for 13th one later?
13, okay, no problem. I'll explain to you.
Yeah.
You're not getting this part?
No, sir.
Okay, I'll explain.
I'm only
to you.
getting marginal cost. After that, I will.
Fine, no problem. I'll help you do that.
Yeah.
17. Okay, no problem. You can just try as a part of homework also. If you don't get it,
Okay.
I'll explain to you how to do that.
Okay.
Okay?
Thanks,
Fine.
sir.
Welcome.
Bye.
Bye. Fine. Fine, Bulgit. I think let's close it now, Bulgit, because this you can just do as now as a part of homework. I'm sure
Okay,
you'll
sir.
be able to get it now.
Yeah, fine.
Vijay, chalo, I think let's close it now.
Hi, sir.
Yeah, why? We'll continue in this class. I'm sure you'll not have any problem now.
Okay, sir.
Fine, Vijay? Okay, Vijay.
Bye, sir.
Yeah, bye.